Hi, this is Sally and today I'm going to be showing you how to make pistachio and cilantro pesto. I'm going to be putting it with cavatappi pasta. I have my oven switched on to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees centigrade, or gas mark 6. I'm just putting my pot of water on and we'll salt that. I'm only putting enough cavatappi in there for 2 people, so I don't need a huge pot. So let's get on with it. Well, seeing as this is already split down the centre, I'm going to carry on that, and I'll do the same with the second one. Now, I was always taught just to top and tail carrots and then just basically leave them, because all the good stuff is right under the skin. Cut them like this, all the way up, place them on there like that. I'll do the same with this one too. I actually don't like carrots, isn't that weird? I'll eat them, but I don't like them. Okay, so that's on there, and now all I've got to do is cut into my cauliflower. I'm going to pull these off to start off with, and it's actually quite a waste of this lovely cauliflower, but is to have small florets like that. I don't like wasting food, so I'll probably find something else to do with the rest of this. Maybe mash it up and add it to some mashed potato. Let's put some salt on there. This is actually Himalayan salt, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or in my way, a splash. Just mix those all in, cover it all. Actually, maybe I should have just put it in a bowl. It would have been easier. This is just going to be roasted in the oven, middle shelf, for about 10 minutes. Turn them over so that they can be equally cooked on both sides. Another 10 should be fine. It smells really yummy actually. Very, very yummy indeed. So I'll pop these back in. Going to add half a packet. Just cook it according to the instructions on the back of the packet. I'm going to cook that for at least 9 minutes and then I'll test it. I like mine to be a little bit al dente, so don't overcook it. I have 2 ounces or 50 grams of pistachios, which I'm roughly chopping up, and then I'm going to put them into the blender. You could use a food processor if you've got one, so it's up to you. Along with the top half of the cilantro, just pop that straight in. Add garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon, and 5 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm mixing it till it's a smooth paste. Add half a teaspoon of salt and then scrape the sides down and finish up blending it. I've just drained the pasta and I'm going to add the vegetables to it. Oops, a daisy, a little bit awkward here. Pour the pesto over the top of all of this. Mix everything together until it's all coated in that lovely, it smells really nice, the pesto. Add a little bit of cheese over the top. Thank you for joining me today. I hope I imparted some useful information to you. The whole meal took about 20-25 minutes at the most to prepare, ideal for a quick meal. I have served it with a small side salad. You could have it on its own with Parmesan cheese on it, or have it as a side to another meal. It's up to you how you want to serve it. If you want to hear more from me, please subscribe and hit the bell button, and a few thumbs up would be absolutely brilliant. And in the meantime, take care. See you later. Ciao.